Pressure-packed situation, number 3 versus number 4. Ramdam natin yung shift ng venue natin, pati na rin yung atmosphere natin.
Yes, of course, these two teams are gonna go through hoops.
Yeah. So, Jaja Tulang. Oh, that's a good serve. Mapua again, scrambling on the first ball. Puzon over to Doguna, who winds up.
Yes. Which is, it's quite surprising, Martin, na number 3 pala itong Mapua sa service.
Yeah.
Because
Good serve. Tahol choosing on, lefty push. Dolorito. And popped up. Doguna, number 9 server in the league. Gohol. Over to Kabadin. And Kabadin puts it down.
that was sa totoo lang, ang strongest part ng blocking is yung forearms eh.
Yeah.
So, if you wanna get a solid block, target lahat. Yung momentum nasa kanila going to the second set.
That's right. It was Papiera getting the block. Quick attack from Jaja Tulang. Sabi ni Coach, ganyan pala sila maglaro. Pwede pala. Manalo. Dolorito from the pipe. Manalo. Off the block finish again for today.
Kasi yung kamay ni Puzon paharap sa labas eh. Pag nag-bounce yung bola, lalabas talaga.
Doguna! Set point for LPU.
May galit siya doon.
Here's the setup from LPU. Can they end it here? And Doguna.
Nobody moved their feet. That was a good spike by Doguna.
Nakakabalik.
Yeah, that's something that they need to watch out for, and they need to know na hindi lang basta palo ang nakakapuntos.
Started way back 2018, officially had his first season 95. They had a breakout win as we take a look at that combination play unleashed.
It's something to be proud of, and they deserve that.
For sure.
Yeah.
De La Cruz. Coverage by Dolorito. Doguna!
Wow, that was a powerful hit. Set.
At consistently,
Yeah.
Dolorito. Oh, dug up by Ong. And a dig by Nicole. And Tere Manalo finishing off.
It's so easy to target the long
That's true.
area naman eh.
Manalo. Wow, with a wall-crushing spike. Oh, it's an overpass.
Free ball.
Papiera. Oh, kept alive. What a save by LPU. De La Cruz down the line.
I'm pointing out,
right.
zone 1, let's cover zone 1. Kasi based sa defense nila,
Yun yung laging bukas.
yes,
Yeah.
yun yung walang tao, yung mismong zone 1. Kaya dapat yung block yung nandun.
Doguna catching the corner. Puzon. Over to Doguna. The dive from Gohol. Badin. Puzon choosing Doguna again. This time she powers it through. De La Cruz will rise. Doguna will try. Kept alive by Gohol. Kabadin denied. And LPU wins set 2. Eliminate Mapua. Or will the Lady Cardinals stay alive?
Ito pa wow. Pero that's all the result din nang wala silang, you know, yung first ball nila medyo wala.
Chona Dolorito.
Hindi pa rin nakakaberan yung zone 1
Yeah.
sa blocking.
Manalo strikes back.
Wow. That was a good
Points already. Amazing performance so far. Here she is again.
another down the line
Yeah,
hit.
that's true. Leading scorers natin, Doguna pacing LPU with 16. What a dig though coming from Dolorito. De La Cruz.
Good effort,
But De La Cruz.
yeah, na small setter.
Yun.
Kasi pagka matangkad yung setter mo, may hirapan na siyang kunin yun eh.
Yeah. De La Cruz.
Heavy serve.
De Guzman. Off the block for De Guzman.
Works for De Guzman.
That's right.
So para ka lang pumapalo sa lapag.
Oo. Hindi makapatay ng bola. No? That time, Manalo. Popped up by Lopez and Dolorito putting it through. Started for LPU. Kabadin says we're not yet done.
Yes, na maganda is Los Santos.
Oh, scramble. De La Cruz putting it through. Mapua is at set point.
Nandiyan naman si Dolorito.
Number 9 server in the league, unleashing a loaded one.
Yeah, it's gonna be a free ball given to the Lady Pirates.
A chance to take the lead. Combination play. Wow, what a dig by Gohol. De Guzman, yes!
Wow!
Bumawi si Hana De Guzman.
By De Guzman.
Puzon, Dahab the push. Here comes Mapua. Oh, it's an overset. Put down by Dolorito.
5-all.
Dahab with a start. Tabla ulit tayo. Manalo scores. Third set point for Mapua. Puzon. Dolorito. Oh, coverage from De La Cruz. Returned by Tulang. Ball is still in play. Joust. LPU on the attack. Dolorito winding up and putting it down. Bench of Mapua, maligmat. Difficult first ball.
Yeah,
Problematic first ball.
free ball given.
Puzon. It's Rivas setting up Dolorito. Who connects again? Match point. LPU. Oh, good serve. Better reception. Manalo keeps Mapua alive.
Rotations.
It's Roxy De La Cruz again taking the reception. Manalo connects again.
Manalo again with the cross-court hit.
Tulang with a sharp serve.
Oh my gosh!
Babiera!
That was in for Babiera. But Coach Rob in the
Yeah.
attack.
Oh, good serve. Puzon. Over to Daguna. Manalo. Nakaabang. De La Cruz! Hopped up by Dahab. Rally not yet over. Oh!
That was an
Laguna.
overset.
Wow! And Mapua
Puzon.
stays alive in the match.
Hole in the defense of the Lady Cardinals. And yun yung isang maganda pinoint out ni Coach.
Good serve. Combination mula sa Mapua. And Dalek Manalo is able to connect.
Na is now in front with 19 points.
Yeah.
17 points, rather.
Oh, okay. Overpass. Regalo para kay
18.
Joan Daguna.
That's 18 now. And dito naman sa side ng Lady Cardinals, that's Manalo and De La Cruz with 13 and 12 respectively.
Jaja Tulang
Tulang.
joins the party.
Yeah. Score nyo dito sa Lady Cardinals because pagkadikitan lang yan, grabe silang kumapit.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, Roxy De La Cruz putting it through the blockers.
Yeah. Get for Daguna.
Hindi na down the line, ha?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's an ace for Dennis Puzon.
Malamig pa yan.
17-13. De Guzman. Bumalik. Gohol. De La Cruz from the back.
De La Cruz keeping the Lady player.
Binalik lang ni Joan Daguna. Tapa din. It bounced back. Underhand setup. De La Cruz will take it. Single coverage by Tulang. Tapa din. Ginagawa na lang ng paraan.
Yeah.
Another chance for the Lady Cardinals. And De La Cruz
Wow!
scores. Dalawang teams lang
Yes,
in the elimination round.
I remember that game. I believe I covered Lyceum, Benilde.
Good, yeah.
Ang isa.
Oh. Better first ball. Daguna puts it down. Between Puzon. Dolorito denied.
That was
It's still
good.
alive. Santa Cruz. Lady Cardinals on the attack. Manalo puts it away.
Here we go again.
For the Lady Cardinals. Dolorito. This time better cover from De La Cruz. But it's a free ball sent out. The Lady Pirates are on the attack. Zonzi Dahab. Zonzi Dahab.
Yeah, 12 points for Don Cisa Dahab.
Oh! Oh! It's an ace! And LPU moves on to face Perpetual in the next round over step ladder.
13 big points by Dahab.
Ladies and
Wow.
gentlemen, the LPU Lady Pirates take this
Two
match in 4
big
sets.
ones.
25
The graduating
25,
Zonzi Dahab
31 and 27
to keep
25.
Yeah,
their season
LPU
going.
will move on to the next
The
round.
latest one was an
That's
ace.
Steph
I'm sure
Leonard.
she wasn't expecting that, but there we are.
To the delight of the Laurels here in attendance inside the Philoil Eco Oil Center. LPU moves on to
Yeah.
face Perpetual in the next round of the semifinals.